And you know, I have to say, some of you actually said in the comment section that it reminds you of like the human brain or muscle, and I have to say, yeah, after you mentioned that, I saw that too and I could not unsee it. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is, oh god, I can't even believe it's a Holy Grail unboxing, and I need to calm down because I'm so excited. I've got my bubble tea here, so cheers to this. This is really something that's been on my wish list forever and ever and ever. And for people who've been following me since the beginning for over a year now, you might know what this could be. And I can't believe that I finally pulled the trigger. And I have to say that a lot of luck was involved into getting this piece as well. It might not be what you expect, but hey, I hope you enjoy it anyway. I've got my bubble tea here, so cheers. And yeah, let's get right into this. So, Holy Grail bags. I mean, please let me know in the comment section down below what your Holy Grail bag is. For me, like a lot of different factors that I can't influence myself played into this Holy Grail bag, and I can't believe that I finally got my hands on this. So this is a new to me bag, so it's a pre-loved bag. I just want to warn you right here, it's not a new bag. However, with the price increases that we have just seen again, so if you're interested, I'm gonna put it up there. I think the US has seen like $1,000 to $1,100 price increases on their classic range, whereas here in the UK we've seen I think 400 to 500 pound price increases for the classics. It was to expect, you know. Of course, the next big price increase we already know will be on 1st of November, because that is their like set date every single year. And then, you know, sometimes you see random price increases here and there. However, so I thought, you know what? You guys know I was also looking for the beautiful seasonal piece from the Metiers collection. However, I couldn't buy it because there was only one piece here in the UK and it had like a crooked flap. And please let me tell you, what is happening with Chanel's quality? I know we've had many discussions about this, and I know all of you are just as annoyed as me in terms of like how bad the quality is in recent years, because the prices constantly go up and it's just like unbelievable. So they had one of these beautiful, you know, purpley square minis, and you know, I have to say, some of you actually said in the comment section that it reminds you of like the human brain or muscle, and I have to say, yeah, after you mentioned that, I saw that too and I could not unsee it. However, you know, I feel like, you guys know I do shopping vlogs all the time, right? So I touch and see so many bags on a daily basis, and it is incredible if you look at it, how bad the quality is, how bad the stitching is, you know. I'm going to show you an example later on. How bad like every single detail is in terms of hardware. It is, you cannot compare it to bags from 10 years ago, from 20 years, from 30 years ago, okay? We get into this, but it is, you know, it is a shame. It really is a shame, and as long as, of course, people keep buying new Chanel, they can just go on with this vicious circle, basically, right, of increasing the prices and decreasing the quality, because it doesn't really bother anybody. So, okay, let's get right into this. I wanted this forever and ever and ever. So my holy, should we do this? My Holy Grail bag has always been a Chanel classic flap. However, I always wanted a very special piece, and I can't believe I found it. I've been looking out for this one for years and years and years, and it finally made its way into my collection, and you will know why. So here we go. It's a classic flap, I can already tell you that much. I always wanted my Holy Grail bag to be something really, really special. So let me just get rid of this quickly. I've always wanted a Chanel classic flap bag from my birth year. In excellent condition. That was the condition. And look what I found. Oh my god, I can just see it on the little screen there, and it is incredible. So people, this is a Chanel classic flap bag that is 30 years old. Yes, I'm 30. And I wanted one that has beautiful, that you can see it's a little bit deflated, but I wanted this beautiful look that the quills are still puffy. This bag, of course, okay, let me come closer. I need to get rid of my bubble tea. Oh, I'm not gonna, whoops. Okay, so for me, it was really important to find a classic Chanel flap bag, and you guys know how expensive these bags are for the fact that they're 30 years old, that they are pre-loved bags. It's like the prices get close to the new ones. but you get so much better quality. I mean, this bag has survived 30 plus years, okay? So, 30 years in a couple months. So, you know, let's get into this. This is the front. This is lambskin leather, people, and there is absolutely no damage, no scuffs, no marks, nothing. Not only is this lambskin leather, because nowadays if you buy, like if I would show you my boy bag, I baby it, but like you just need to basically touch it with your nail a tiny little bit and it would leave a mark right here. And here you can't see anything. But it is ridiculous how easy the lambskin leather from nowadays can get damaged. Not only is the lambskin leather like 1000% better in terms of quality, also this is the real gold-plated hardware that they discontinued in 2007-2008. So it still has the marking right here. I don't know how close we can get. It still has the gold marking right there. This is real gold-plated hardware, and can you see the richness of this? The color is just so intense, and it's such a luxurious bag. Okay, let's open it. And I mean, the bag has a little bit more wear and tear, but to find a bag from your birth year in this condition, let me tell you, it's almost impossible. I've waited years and years and years to find one that I thought is right, and I got this from Fashionfile, so just in case you're wondering. I found this on Fashionfile and I saw it when it came on there and I was like, oh my god, this is the one. Because, you know, the prices are going up, even on the pre-loved market, up, and you're almost like paying, what, $5,000 or so for a pre-loved bag. That is so old. However, like even, let's focus in on the stitches. Whoops, and I'm gonna bring up another bag later on. Can you see how small the stitching is? It's so incredible. Like nowadays, I think they are double as long. I'm gonna bring my pink Chanel bag in a second, and then we look at that. But okay, let's do this first. So, this is all real gold-plated hardware, and I have stuffed this bag because that's really important, of course, in terms of maintaining its shape. And I can't believe that this bag is just as old as me. So, you know, it's unbelievable. It's such a nice idea, I think, and it's always meant so much to me to at one point have a bag from my birth year. So it was one of my dreams. Maybe it's not everybody's dream, but it was mine. So let's look into this. And it comes with it came with the original dust bag actually, and it comes with the original authenticity card. So we can see here, this bag is the bag from the 1 series. So it's incredible. I just can't believe this. Okay, let's look at this. Some close-up shots. See how beautiful the leather is. Oh my gosh. Okay, this has, of course, it's a classic flap. So it has the burgundy interior. It's a double flap. So you've got, you know, your first one, and this one has so many beautiful compartments. Of course, you have the compartment right here at the back, the secret compartment. You've got the love letter compartment, right, where Coco Chanel was hiding her love letters in. It's such a beautiful story. And then you've got, whoops, a compartment right here. And you've got the main compartment with the 2 card slots, lipstick holder. And yeah, look how amazing the quality of this is. So look at the stitching. Oh, the stitching is just so beautiful. You won't see something like this in the modern bags anymore. This is the Chanel sign, and yeah, I hope this gave you an overview. I'm gonna have to stuff the bag again in a second, and then I bring my another example of a Chanel classic flap for you to see the differences in terms of quality. But what do we guys think? Please let me know what your holy grail bag is in the comment section, please, because I love talking about these things and hearing your stories. And let me know if you've already got your holy grail bag or if you're still, you know, looking for one. So how beautiful is this? Okay, let me get my pink bag. Yeah, okay guys, so here I am with my pink Chanel classic flap bag. And of course, this one is a seasonal piece. So, you know, it's a fabric bag, it's a seasonal piece. However, I still think it's gonna show you exactly what I mean. So let's do this. Whoops. If we, I need to come even closer again. Oh, it's 9 don't fall down. Okay, so if we focus on this bag, can you see the size of the stitches? They're about, I would say, 2 millimeters. And then just in comparison, right there, I don't know if we can do this. Here we go. Can we see that? So the stitching was half the size of what the stitching is nowadays. That's the quality difference. Not only, like I said, not only in terms of stitches, but also in terms, of course, of the lambskin leather. It feels so luxurious. It's so beautiful. But what I also want to show you is, of course, everything you buy nowadays has gold metal hardware. So, you know, you won't find any gold-plated hardware anymore. It's beautiful. I absolutely love brush gold, aged gold hardware, but nothing can compare to real gold-plated hardware. So yeah, let me know what you think. I'm still gonna show you some modeling shots right now. Yeah, okay guys, and of course with the current price increases that we're seeing, you know, especially with the prices we're at right now, I feel like we could rather go to Hermes, right, and spend our money there, because I think you only have to add like another £1,000 to actually get a Birkin bag instead of a jumbo at the moment. So I feel like, you know, it is somehow in no relation to each other anymore. But let's do this. So this is the beautiful bag, and I think it is such a stunning piece. This is what I wanted for so long. And you can also just wear it, of course, on one shoulder, you know, and it sits a little bit lower. And I think this one you can't really wear crossbody, it sits a little bit too high. Yeah, I mean, some people might be able to pull this off, I wouldn't. It looks really beautiful, but I'm a shoulder bag girl. I absolutely love wearing this on my shoulder, and here we go. The most beautiful bag in the world. Probably the most classic and recognizable bag in the world as well. So yeah guys, I think that was it. I'm stunned. I'm in love. I'm, you know, I mean, you know how that feeling is. I think I'm really happy with my Chanel collection at the moment, and if, you know, a nice piece will come along my way, then I will add it, but I think I'm very satisfied with my collection at the moment. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease, and yeah, I see you again very soon. Bye!